Hello everybody and welcome. This is your host Umair from another video on Tutorials Hub, and today we will be discussing about Hunter.io, how to use Hunter.io for beginners. Now before we dive in, there is a very first link in the description below that you can access to book a call with us if you need any help related to your marketing strategy, web design, or any type of technical consultation. So make sure to give a try to that. Now, what we're going to do is, first of all, you can see we are on the landing page of Hunter.io, and this is a platform. If you do not know or have you do not have any idea about the platform, this is for email outreaching. If you want to do some cold outreach and just generate some leads, and from leads to potential clients and customers, you can generate through this. You can find related leads and eventually you can contact to them. You can get their contact details and etc. So you can see on their landing page they're saying connect with any professional. Hunter is all in one email outreach platform, and you can find and connect with people that matter to you. So pretty decent for giving a try. Now what else we can do here is, you can see you can get started for free, and we're going to be coming on to that in a moment. If we scroll down, you can see we have different payment systems that we can incorporate and integrations, like for example Stripe, OpenAI, Intercom, Figma, etc. And you can see below we have domain search. You can find the best person to contact from company name or website, so you can simply domain search as well and get their information. You can see we have Hunter is a great tool for saving time, building pipelines, and prospecting. Before we had Hunter in place, I was spending a lot of time guessing emails and using up valuable time every day. So the email verifier is also a game changer for our team. So you can simply do that. And as I told you already, cold email that just works with Hunter campaigns. You can maximize the potential of your prospecting lists and increase your chances of receiving more replies, compose emails, schedule follow-ups, and get precise reports of your campaign performance. So that is something really great if you want to dive onto that. Below you can see we have various other features showing up. You can also build your automations and workflows using your HubSpot, Zapier, Hunter all in one connected together. So that is going to be providing you a really nice type of automation as well. And yeah, so it is also having a good reputation on various platforms, like for example G2, Trustpilot, and so on. So let's just scroll all the way to the top and we will be discussing about its features and what it has to offer. So first of all, if you want to start a cold email campaign, you can do that. So you can see here we have that. You can simply start your first campaign and it's going to be free. So you are going to be needing your email address to simply sign in to the platform. You can see if you scroll down, we have built new relationships seamlessly, and we can compose our mails, schedule the campaigns, and also an important part is going to be that you can automate that. So you have your CRM integrations automating with Zapier, the thing that I was talking about. You have your integrated with your email provider, and then you can see some other testimonials who are using this feature. So really great. Other than that, we have Discover, Find B2B leads. So if you want to simply dive into the market and see the big boys who are performing in the market, and you want to simply utilize them and reach out to them, you can do that. A business to business lead. You have your domain search, as I told you already. Email finder, so if you want to find emails for any personal, you can do that. You have your email verifier and signals and stuff. So in the data platform, you have data platform, bulk tasks, and APIs. Alright, so that was pretty much it for the brief overview about the platform, and now we will be talking about its pricing. So let's just dive onto the pricing section and see what the platform has to offer. So I'm going to be zooming in a bit so you can see much more clearly. So fortunately, and you do have a free plan, and that is going to be giving you different type of yearly searches. You have your additional searches, yearly verifications. You do get your connected email accounts, and then you have recipients per campaign. So you can see you have your browser extensions, Google Sheets, add-ons, CRM integrations, and APIs. So with that being said, you can alright, so seems like quite some value that you're getting completely for free. Now if you want to be a bit more serious, So you can simply opt for the $34 plan, which is the starter one, or you can say like more like an entry level. But the amount of value you're going to be getting is literally more than double. You can see we have pretty much everything offered here that was not in the free plan. You have your domain searches option enabled now. You have your campaigns and much more cascading options in that. You can see we have various other integrations and add-ons which were also available on the free version, but you can see we have priority support. And similarly, if you jump on to the growth and business, you're going to be getting pretty much the same features, and the ones that were not offered in previous one, you're going to be getting those and everything as well. So that was pretty much it for the brief overview about the platform. So now we will be talking about more on how you can get started for free, as the platform offered that you're going to be getting a free sign up. So, and the good thing is you do not even need to provide your credit card details. So a lot of annoying platforms ask you before you simply sign in, they want your credit card details. I'm going to put in here my details, and then I'm going to be setting up a password. Let's just click on create an account. Alright, so now it has sent an email onto my personal mail, of course. So I'm going to be just waiting until it is received. Okay, I got it. I'm going to be clicking onto that, access my account, and that is going to be providing you the access. Let's just refresh it. So here, as you can see, we got our account. Thank you for signing up. And yeah, so basically our account is successfully created. You can see the notification below. And alright, so here you can see we have this template feature now, and this is really great if you want to get a head start at different kind of templates. Like for example, you are into sales and you want some kind of sales template, you can click onto that, simply customize the template and use your own different data that you want to embed. And you can see we have different templates as well, and similar to that you can go with different kind of other templates and stuff as well. So like for example, you have your cold email guide, and it's going to be providing you how to effectively send the best kind of cold email. So you can do that, and that is going to be providing you the best value if you want. You can see you have your use trenching to segment your ICP, prospecting tools and methods and different kind of stuff. So really great platform if you ask me. For your business, for cold outreaching, you do not rely on platforms that are temporary and cut different type of taxes onto your side and client side as well, and search your clients by yourself. So that is going to be pretty much it for this video, guys, and I hope this was helpful. If it was, consider subscribing to our channel. Also, you can book a call with us using the very first link in the description below that can help you to simply get help related to marketing strategy, web designing, and any type of technical consultations. Do not hesitate to reach out to us. See you in the next one.